All right, student, one more question on the topic of uniform motion and motion in straight line or kinematics. Now, what you will notice in this chapter is a great deal of questions that deal with graphical physics. A lot of graphs. You're expected to read the graph and be able to derive information out of that. And generally, these graphs have a lot to do with comparing two motions. Two bodies are doing this, compare who will win the race, whose acceleration is more, whose this is more. So graphs, graphical physics is very important. Okay, let's read this question and try to draw some inferences from this. So the question reads, you have two cars A and B, okay, and the graph is basically position versus time for the two cars A and B, right? And the cars are moving parallel. So the cars are moving parallel to each other on separate tracks. And so the key times at which the position is important is T1, T2, T3, T4. Okay. Although the position is known throughout the time, and you can see the graphs being drawn. If I notice, the question is, at what instant does car overtake car B? That's the question. Well, so that means you should be able to read the graph very carefully and understand what does it mean, overtake. Okay. Let's see this question, and I will give you explanation. I can give you an answer in 2 seconds, but we will worry about explanation. Read the graph first. If you notice, this car number B is starting from a position which with respect to A is ahead of so the car number B is starting from a position which is already ahead of A, which means car number B is maybe starting not from here, but the car number B is starting from here. Okay, it has an advantage. Some positional difference is already there. Car B is already ahead of car A at the start of the motion. That is one thing I could read, because you can see the car B is starting from here and car A, the position is 0. The car B is starting from some position. It's already ahead. Then the car B is moving with uniform velocity. Okay. This is a straight line. Whereas car A, on the contrary, is having acceleration. You can see the acceleration part of the, if you notice the graph of a uniformly accelerated motion, which is position time graph, is generally shown to be this. Okay. This is uniformly accelerated motion. You can also draw it like this. Okay. The meaning changes, which it means that the velocity, then initially it is now this is the tangent, this is the tangent, so the tangent is going down, therefore the acceleration is going down, right, for this body, for this particular scenario. So this is uniform acceleration, this is uniform deceleration. Initially the velocity is very high, then the velocity is going down. So this is, but if you notice this graph is going like this, right? It is going like this. It reaches a point and then it goes down like this, right? So the graph number A is essentially like a non-uniform accelerated motion, right? We really can't say it's a accelerated motion. It may be non-uniform accelerated motion. It doesn't look very close to this, but it looks very close to this graph. So this could be decelerating motion, but let's discuss it further. And then there are points. This is a point where the two cars meet each other. Okay, they have the same position, by the way. Okay, the position is same. At T1 they are meeting each other. They meet at certain points. Let's talk about T3. They meet each other. They meet each other, right? What is happening at T2? The position of A is more than the position of B. So this is the position of A and this is the position of B. And therefore A is at this point of time, A is ahead of B. Okay. Let's talk about T4. At T4, the position of B is this. The position of A is this, right? So at T4, B is ahead of A, right? Because this is your B is the straight line. So the position of B is this, and the position of A is this, right? Our emphasis is on overtaking, right? Now, overtakes means they meet at that point and one car moves ahead of the other. So let's talk about what is happening at T1. At T1, if you notice, the car A, which was behind car B, because B has been given an initial X naught B to start with. At T1, after T1, the car A is always having a higher position than B. That means at T1, the car is overtaking the car B. So this is the point of overtaking, okay? So our answer has to be T1. But let's analyze what is happening at T3. At T3 and onwards, the position of B is always higher than the position of A. You can see the position of B is this extra after this particular time period, right? And therefore, what is the significance of T3? The significance of T3 is that at T3, B overtakes A. B overtakes A. And at this point, the car A overtakes B. In our question, the question was, what is happening? Which instant is responsible, or the instance when the car A overtakes car B? Our answer is T1. Okay. As you mature and start doing the questions of graphical physics, remember graphical physics is very important in 11th and 12th standard. All the books, good books, including NCERT, Resnick Halliday, University Physics, Conceptual Physics, all these books have graphical questions. The very first question you will see in any examination is graph. So your grasp on graphical physics has to be very, very strong. Go to my playlist. Go to any of the playlists, you will find graphical questions. Go to kinematics, motion in straight line. You will see some 200 questions which are pertaining to kinematics, and lots of them have to do with understanding of graph. So graph is a good way of representing motion, okay? So don't forget to watch those videos to build your concept, and then you can practice also. If you have any questions, put your comments in the comment section of my video and I will answer back. It may take some time, but I will answer back. Don't worry about it. So thank you very much again, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. The questions which are coming your way are high quality, detailed explanation, and a lot of concept building is being done through these videos. Thank you very much.